Hi guys, welcome to your channel. I'm super excited to be able to guys this wonderful market strategy. As always, the strategy is one of the craziest market strategies you can be used to make crazy money trading market. You can see with this strategy, you can see that I was able to grow from a $100 account for a $1,000 account to $25,000 profit. You can see this is project that I'm currently running with this strategy. I could say this is the strategy that you need to become profitable trading boom and crash. So if you want to make such amount for to make this crazy amount tradable and crash, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss any explanation about the strategy. So you want to make such amount, you want to make this crazy amount tradable and crash, then this is the right video for you. So I'm going to give you guys everything you need to know about the strategy, the step-by-step guide about the strategy. I'm going to give you guys everything in today's video. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification so that I upload a strategy, you guys will be aware. Also guys, we do something, once you guys know that we do something, we offer account management. So we offer account management, so just contact the number you are seeing at the screen, then we are going to offer you account management. So just contact the number you are seeing at the screen. That is the number that we do. You can contact us on for account management. Also, if you want to join our Telegram community for free signals, you can totally join our Telegram community for free signals. The Telegram community is for free, so you can join. The link is going to be in the description below, so you can join our Telegram channel for free signals. So with that being said, let's quickly dive into today's strategy, guys. So you can see that I took a trade on boom 300 and crash 1000. That is where I took my trade. So I'll be using the both market to for this strategy that I'm going to pitch it to you guys. I'll be using both the market to show you guys the video today. So you can use the strategy both on boom and on crash. So that's why you can use this strategy. So now, so today I'm going to give guys, this is what we are going to talk about today. Everything about the strategy. I'm going to give you guys the setup for this strategy. I'm going to show you guys that today. So the setup for the strategy, I'm going to teach you guys, and also the confirmation you need, all the confirmation you need for this strategy. The confirmation, I'm going to also teach you guys that. The confirmation you need for this strategy, I'm going to teach you guys today. Also, I'm going to teach you guys in the confirmation. I'm going to teach you guys your entries. After I teach you guys confirmation you need about strategy, I'm going to teach you guys your entries and where you are going to exit your trades. I'm also going to show you guys that, and in case market is going against you, I'm also going to show you guys your stop target. So which means your stop lose. I'm going to also show you guys that today. So this is everything that we'll be talking about today. So now the first one is the settings for this strategy. So this, just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. Just go to this icon you are seeing right here. Go to this icon, then when you click on the icon, then this everything you need to these settings for the strategy. Setting for this strategy is everything that you need to install on your MT5 to use this strategy. So now the first indicator we are going to need is the RSI, which is relative strength index. So just go to your go to the F plus, just go to the F plus, go to the F plus right here on the mid chart. If you don't have any indicator in the chart, just go to the F plus. Then when you get there, just set the RSI. So when you set the RSI, this is the parameters for the RSI. This parameter for the RSI, the close is going to be 14. Apply to close. Style is to pixel. Then the style doesn't necessarily. So now this is the levels. This is the levels we need for the RSI. The 10 for buy, 90 for sell, 50 for the TP. So that is that on boom on relative strength. Then so when you set that up, then click on done. Just click on done and you go to go. Now the second indicator we're going to be adding is the moving average. So this is parameters for the moving average. The period is going to be 5, shift 0. The method is simple. Apply to close. The style we are going to be needing the red color. So when you click on that, then click on done. And you have your moving average in your chart. Now the third indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be the moving average. So you have to be to add this up, then you just have to be going to your now. Let's say I want to add another moving average. Now just go there, click on it, and then just change the period. Yes, I want to use 15. I just click on done, and then I'm going to find my moving average in my chart. So that is that on that. So now you can see I have the moving average now. But to add this moving average up, just need to add it to your indicator window one. So your indicator window one. So this is the second moving average you need. The period is going to be 8, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. And this time we are also going to be using red. So we are all going to be using it for this moving average. What we need to change is the period. That's what we need to change. So the period is what we need to change. Now we have added our 5 and 8 moving average. Now the third moving average we are going to be adding is going to be 13. So the period is going to be 13, shift 0. The method is also going to be simple, apply to close. Choose use the same color, then click on done. So when you set that up, then you click on done. So now the next indicator we are going to be adding is the 20 period of moving average. So we are going to be adding the period of 20, shift 0, the method simple, apply to close, and the style is going to be red as well. So when you set that up, then click on done. Now the last one, the least indicator we are going to be adding is the 150 period moving average. So the period is going to be 150, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, and the style we are going to change the style of this moving average, so which is going to be black, or use any color of your choice. So when you set that up, then click on done, and your chart is going to look like this. This is how your chart is going to look like now. So the strategy we are going to be using it in our 5-minute time frame, and then in our 30-minute time frame. So that is the two area we're going to be using this strategy. So now, how are you now going to be making use of this strategy? How are you going to be making use of this strategy? So now, to make use of this strategy, this is all the confirmation you need. This is all the confirmation you need to make use of this strategy. So I'm talking about the confirmation now. So now we need to make a little adjustment on the RSI. So we need to add some levels. So we need the 80 and the 20 levels as well. So within that level as well, so you can see we have the 80 and 90 levels. So this is also give us so that with this, I'm very sure we won't miss any entries. We won't miss any entry with this strategy. So now this is what we are expecting. Now let's see what to go for now based on the trade that I took here. Based on the trade that I took right here. Now you can see this is what give me the confidence to use this strategy. So now you see something right here. You can see at the you can see all the moving average at the 80 or 90 levels of the RSI. So when they reach that area, then you'll be finding the opportunity to go for a sell. Okay, you'll find the opportunity to go for a sell. So now also you need to now let's say we want to go for a buy. This for now there's a chance of buying this market around this area. I'm very sure there's a chance of buying the market. You can see all the confirmations have been met. So the moving average as the 10 or 20 levels of the RSI. So now the next thing we need to know is about the strategy that now let's say we want to use this strategy now for a better entries, for a clear entries, we need to see that now let's say we want to go for a buy. Now this is what we need. We need to see that this moving average touches the 10 or 80 levels of the RSI right around this area, and we need to see this black moving average crossing each other, which means that the moving average that touches the 10 or 20 levels need to go above the black moving average. So now with that conditions have been met, then that's when we are going to be looking to go for a buy. So that's where we are going to be looking to go for a buy. Now also for a sell trade, I think we just need to see this as well here on the sell trade. You can see how crazy this market move to the downside. You can see how crazy it moves. So now this is what we need to see. We need to see that we need to see that the moving average touching the 90 OT levels of the RSI, and we need to see a crossover which happens right here. We need to see a crossover happens, so which means that the moving average is crossing below the black moving average. So that's when we'll be thinking of going for a sell as well. Now on boom, so now on boom. Now I'm talking about the 30 minutes now. I'll also explain how you guys can make some strategy on the 5-minute time frame. So you just need to decide maybe you should do strategy on 1 minute or 5-minute time frame. That's what you need to decide. On 30 minutes or on 5-minute time frame. So that's what you need to decide for yourself. Now this is where I took my trade here. Boom, this is where I took my trade. Although I use some this is where I took my trade right here. You can see took my trade right at this area. That's where I took my trade. And you can see this since then the market have been moving up crazily. The market have been moving up crazily. I've already made a $4,000 with boom theory alone. So I've already making at let's say $12,000 with boom only. So I see how crazy this strategy is. See how crazy the strategy is. So I mean $16, $16,000 with boom. You can see crazy, it's moved crazily. After a long period of downtrend, you can see how crazy it shoots back up. See how crazy it shoots back up. So now let's say you want to go for a buy now. So this is what we need to see. We need to see that the moving average touching the 10 or 20 levels of the RSI, which you are seeing right here, and we need to see a crossover which happens right at this area. That's when you are going to go for a buy. Now and that is what gives me a chance of taking the trade right here. That's what gives me a chance of taking the trade. You can see perfect entry, guys, perfect entry with this strategy. So now you can see, let's say we want to go for a sell as well. Now this is what we need to see. We need to see it touches right at this area, and then we need to see a crossover that should happen before we decided to go for a sell. So that is that on that, how you guys can make use of this strategy on 30 minutes. Now for 5-minute time frame, now this strategy on 5-minute time frame, just simple and clear. Just simple and clear. If you want to go for a buy, just make sure it touches the 10, the moving average rate touching the 10 or 20 levels of the RSI, and we need to see a changes. This is a crossover that need to happen. We need to see a crossover. So that's when we are going to go for a buy. Now for a sell trade, now we need to see that it touches 90 OT levels of the RSI, and then we need to see a crossover should happen. So that's when we are going to go for a sell. Same thing applicable on boom as well. So that is that on how you guys can use all the strategy to trade on boom and crash. So I hope you guys love this content. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like these videos, and also turn on post notification so that I post in strategy you guys will be aware. Also guys, we offer account management. Don't forget to contact us for account management. If you want to join our Telegram community, the link is going to be in the description below. The Telegram community is totally for free. So thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.